Okay, let me just get the timestamp out of the way. Okay, PayPal. Facebook time is 9:35 p.m. Eastern. I'm in the province of Quebec. So there you go, 9:35. Okay, so we are doing a filler for Alex's box break number 8 for, looks like, Toronto and Detroit, and it looks like it'll be a draft. Well, obviously, probably the first person will pick Detroit and the second person might pick Toronto. Okay, so here's the list. Okay, copy, paste. Let me just get rid of that little space. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you can see the list. All is here. It's a very small list. All is here. Okay, so we will, he told me how many times the timestamp, 3 random, 2 times. Okay, so the standard stuff. Okay, so here we go, guys. Once, George on top. Twice, let's do the timestamp. Okay, timestamp is 9:37. Sorry, 9:37. Okay, and here we go. The top 2 people win. So it looks like spots 6 and 4 were the original spots. Corey S. and Rick Reese. Okay, so I'll be sending this list privately to Alex, and I'll be posting the video right away. Okay. 9:37. It's still 9:37. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to click, I always do done. I'm not going to do a time verification. I just did it already, so probably 9:37. Okay, so there you go, guys. It'll be up in a couple of secs. Take care. Ciao. And these are your 2 winners.